Hello guys, welcome back. Welcome back with the second puzzle. The second puzzle in today's additional of Wednesday, May the 3rd, 2023. I've already solved one puzzle. Well, this is not a 1 star but a 3 stars puzzle. So 3 puzzles are left. The binary, the tectonic with 4 stars, and Sudoku with 4 stars. This will be number 6376. And before I start, I always count up printed digits. Well, this one has 24 printed digits. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult, but you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers, then you will need more time to solve that puzzle. But for 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. Is this really a four stars? I do not know. We will see. Let me scan the puzzle. We have 2 ones. We have here 3 twos. We have oh no, 4 twos. Oh wait. We have here 3 threes, 1 4, 1 5, 4 sixes, 4 sevens, 4 8. Wow. And 1 9. So the 2s, the 6, the 7, and the 8s are in majority. Can I start with the 2? That's the question. Let me see. 2, 2, 2, 2. No. 6. Let me check. 6, 6. Yeah. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 3 places left for the 6 should be here, or there. We see a 6 in this row, no 6 there, here 6. In the last row, so no 6 there. So the only place left for the 6 should be there. 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6. Okay, can I continue with the 6 now? With the 7, 7 in this column, 7 in the last column. So the column with 3, no, need 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7, 7. Okay. 7, 7, 7. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column, so the column next down, need 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7, 7. Okay, cannot continue with the 7 now. Need to wait again. How about the 8? 8, 8. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column, so the column next down, need place left for the 8 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 8. We have 8 in this column, so no 8 in these 3 boxes here, and 8 in this row. No 8 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for 8 in this big square should be there. 8 in the last column, 8 in the column next. So in that column, no need to place left for 8 should be here or there. You see an 8 in the middle row. No 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in the last row, 8 in the row above. So in that row, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 8 in the third column, 8 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. Can I count? And all the 8s are used. I can see, yes. Digit number 1, number 8. 7. About a 6 then. 6, 6. 2. Well, 2. Well. 2, 8, 7. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row, so in the row above, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 6, 6, 6, 6, yeah. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in this row, so no 6 in these 2 boxes. Here, 6 in this column, no 6 in that box. So the 6 could be here, could be there. 6 in this row, 6 in one of those two boxes in the middle row. So the row above, the only two places left for the 6 should be here or there. You see a 6 in this column, no 6 there, 6 should be there. 6, 6, 6, 6, and yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in this column. So no 6 in these two boxes here, 6 in the second row, no 6 in those two boxes. So the 6 in this big square could be here, could be there. 6 in this column, 6 in one of those two boxes in the column next. So in the last column, the only two places left for the 6 should be here or there. You see a 6 in this row, no 6 there, 6 should be there. Alright. So we need a 6 there, need a 6 there, okay. What is 7, 7, 7, 7, 7, 7, 7, 7. Okay, how about the 2? 2, 2, 2 in this column, 2 in the column next. So last column, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 2, yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers 2. We have a 2 in this first column, so no 2 in these 3 boxes. Here, 2 in this row, no 2 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 2 in this big square should be there. 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. No 2 here, no 2, 2, 2, 2. Yeah. And now I can continue with the 7. 7 in this row, 7 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in the last row. So the row between the only two places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7 in the first column, 7 in the second column, 7 in the third column. The only 3 places left for the 7 should be here, here, or there. We see a 7. So we have CS7 in the third row, so no 7 there. 7 in the second row, no 7 there. So the only place left for the 7 should be there. Can I count? Yes. And all the 7s are used. I can see. This is number 2, number 7. 7. Okay, so the 2 and the 6 are left. 6, 6 here. 6 in this column, 6 in the second column. So the third column, the only two places left for the 6 will be here or there. We see a 6 in the second column, no 6 there. Second row, so no 6 there. 6 should be there. I marked those two boxes earlier with 6. We have a 6 now in the third row, so no 6 there. 6 should be there. Can I count? Yes, and all the 6s are used. I can see. This is number 3, number 6. Okay. How about the 2 now? 2, 2. Well, 2, 2. And here can be 2, 2, 2, 2. 2, 2. No, cannot continue with the 2. Okay. 1, 1, 1. 3 in this column, 3 in the second column. So the third column, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in the last column, so no 3 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 3 in this big square should be there. 3, 3, okay. 3, yeah. 3 in the third column. 3 in the last column, 3 in that column. So the column between only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see a 3 in the third row, no 3 there. 3 should be there. Oh. Wow. Apologies. Alright. 3, 3. And I need the 3 there. Yeah. How about the 2 now? Still the 2 cannot fill. No, 2, 2, 2. Okay, need to wait. Yeah. 1, 1, 1. Okay, how about the 4? Nope. Two missing numbers, 9 and a 5 here. Here also 9 and a 5. These three should be 9, 4, and 1. 9, 4, and a 1. That means one digit left. 1, 9, 5, yeah. In the last column, we need a 5. We have a 5 in this big square, so no 5 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 5. It should be there. 5, 5, okay. 9, 4, and 1. Yeah, 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers 1. We have 1 in this row, so no 1 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 in this big square should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 4 and a 9, 4 and 9. We have a 9 in this column. No 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number in this big square is number 4. We have a 4 in this column. So no 4 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 4. Should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 1 and a 5. 1 and a 5. Okay. Yeah. 1 in the first row, 1 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in this third column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1, 1. Okay. Well, 4 and 9. 4. Well, 2 missing numbers in the second row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, and 8, 9 is missing. 4 and a 9, 4 and 9. We have a 4 in the third column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 1 box left in this column, third column for the number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 1 and a 5, we have a 5 now in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Alright, 2 missing numbers in this row for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 4 and a 9, 4 and 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 1. 1 in this row, 1 in that row. So the row between only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see 1 this column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column. So the column next, only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 in the last row, 1 in that row. So the row between only place left for the 1 should be there. And all the ones are used. I can see. This is number 4, number 1. Alright. Then 9 and 5. Okay. Alright. 4 and the 9. 9 and the 5. 2, 2, 2. But the 2. 2, 2, 2, 2. Need a 2 here. Need a 4 here. And need a 5 here. 2, 4, 5. Yeah. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4 is missing. And the 5 is missing. 2, 4, 5. That means 1 digit left in this big square for number 9, I believe. Yeah, the 9 is missing. Yeah. 2 missing numbers here. 2 missing numbers in this column for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. And the 5 is missing. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. We have a 4 in this big square, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 5 goes there. 5 in the first row, 5 in the second row. So in the third row, only place left for the 5 should be there. 1 box left in this row for number 1. The 2 is missing. Two missing numbers in this big square. For numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and 5, 2 and 5. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 9 and the 3. I'm missing 9 and 3. 9 and 3. Interesting. 4 and the 2 are missing. Yeah. 2 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and 4, 2 and 4. We have a 2 in the first column, no 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 4 goes there. 9 and the 4, we have a 4 now in the first column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 1 box left in this column for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 1 box left in this big square for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. Alright. Oh. 2 missing numbers in this row. The 1, the 2, 3, and the 9 are missing. 3 and the 9. 3 and the 9. Alright. Need to power up. 5%. My battery is almost empty. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 4 and the 9, 4 and 9. We have a 9 in the last row. No 9 there. 9 should be 4 goes there. 9 in this row. 9 in the last row. So no row between. Only place left for 9 should be there. The 4 in the last row, the 4 in the row above. From that row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be there. 3 and a 9, we have a 9 now in the middle column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 3 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers, the 1 and 2, 3 is missing. The 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and 9, 3 and 9. Oh, sorry. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 3 goes, and they are finishing 60 minutes. 60 minutes, quicker than the previous Sudoku. Yeah, 60 minutes. It's 2 stars here. Well, you cannot tell, although it has less printed digits. But here, we have no hidden numbers. So, yeah. I'm pleased with the time, and I like this one. Yes, I will do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with other 2 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.